Hello ladies and gentlemen, all of you, welcome to the channel of detailed recipes. Traditional Turkish Gozleme varieties. How to make Turkish Gozleme with a wide variety of contents, you will see in detail in this video. First, let's learn how to make dough for traditional bread. To make dough without additives, sifted wheat flour is used. A mixture of natural flour and fabricated flour milled in our own village used here. The measure you will use to make a good dough is 620 grams of water for 1 kilogram of flour. There is a total of 1800 grams of flour and 1 kilogram of water will be added. Flour, salt and water will be added, no other ingredients. 1 kilogram of water is added. I would also like to note that liters and kilograms are different. Dough is kneaded, rested for 1 hour with the lid closed. 350 grams of lamb mince, required to make with minced meat. 2 onions. Half a glass of milk. Hot pepper juice. Red pepper. Pepper and salt. Chop the onions finely and do not use machinery. Add ingredients into the mixing bowl. Thin lamb mince, finely chopped onions. Salt, pepper, red paprika. Add milk to make it a little soft. Hot pepper juice. Minced meat mixture must have a soft consistency. It may be softer than here. Natural green village zucchinis are used for gozleme pancakes. Gray green zucchini. Except for this green zucchini, 2 green zucchini will be added. Squeeze the grated zucchini juice thoroughly by hand, it should be without water. After preparing the zucchinis without water, finely chop the green parts of the leek. Add chopped leek. Add natural milk cream. Add olive oil and mix. Salt and spices are added during cooking so that the ingredients are non-watered. Remaining chopped material will be leek pancake. Tomatoes are added. Enough leeks to make 1 pastry. To make a poppy pancake, you must first make poppy paste. First, heat the poppy grains in the pan and fry. You need to cook the poppy grains to their full consistency without burning them. You can crush poppy grains in your hand, and when the scent of poppy spreads to the environment, it means okay. Add the poppies into the large container and wait for it to cool. A powerful spice grinder is used to crush poppies. I remember that the poppy was crushed by the stone when there was no machine. Now the other ingredients will be added. Some granulated sugar, liquid oil, tahini. Ingredients for poppy pancake: grate pre-boiled potatoes to make with potatoes, chop parsley, add and mix potatoes and parsley. Chop spinach to make egg spinach. Frozen spinach will be used because it is summer now. After the spinach is defrosted, squeeze the juice. Mix oily cheese and chopped parsley to make cheese. Many kinds of materials were prepared. Now you can look again at the materials prepared. Zucchini and leek, tahini and poppy, potatoes and parsley, leek and tomato, cheese and parsley, lamb mince, spinach and egg. This ironed hair will be used to cook Turkish Gozleme. The rested dough is cut in equal parts and rolled by hand. Rolled doughs are added to the tray by adding flour and prepared to open. In the dough rolling process, it is made by using a thin rolling pin with flour. Made with ground meat. Easy to burn ingredients such as cardboard, paper, twigs are used when cooking. Making leek with zucchini. Oil and salt are added when making with potatoes. You can see that it is cooked. With cheese. Egg spinach. Pepper and salt are added. For egg spinach, it may be necessary to use 2 layers of dough. Leek with tomato. Oil and salt are added and sent to cook on hot iron. When making poppy, 400-gram big dough is used. The dough is opened a little and the material is added. Wide dough is rolled up again and opened a little with a rolling pin. If made thin, it will be crispy; if made thick, it will be soft. A little oil can be added for good frying while cooking. Turkish pancakes were cooked, now served immediately when hot. Tea can be very good as a drink. Tomato, cucumber, cheese, olives can be added. Click the bell icon to get the notification of the latest videos. Open the notifications. We have come to the end of the video prepared for you. Thanks to everyone who watched the videos and supported me. Thanks for watching, see you in the new video.